Okay, this is the keyboard. Okay, I need to replace this keyboard. Okay, this Toshiba. Okay, this laptop, when you want to replace the keyboard, okay, you have to open everything because the connector is inside the motherboard. Okay, you need to open the back, you take out everything. Okay, you disconnect the cable from the keyboard down before you open the keyboard. Okay, the first thing we have to do, I need to remove all the screw. You take out the battery. So many screws, you have to take out all the screws. This laptop have so many screws, okay, to take out. Make sure you take out all the screws, okay, because you need to remove the back cover and disconnect the keyboard before you install the new keyboard. Take out this panel. Take out the hard disk panel also. Okay, you remove the hard disk, disconnect it. Okay, so many screws, make sure you take out all the screws because the connector is under here. After you take out all the screws, okay, you just take out the cover, open it like this. Okay, the keyboard is this side. This is the keyboard cable. Okay, you just disconnect this one, you open it like this. Okay, you take out the keyboard cable, you remove it. This is the keyboard. Okay, you remove the cable. Okay, now you just need to open the keyboard. Okay, this keyboard have a bit glue, so you just force it, you just put the pencil inside like this. Okay, you try to open this one. Okay, you disconnect the cable. This is the cable. Okay, now time to replace the new keyboard. Okay, when you want to replace the keyboard, you have to use a double tape. You have to grab a tape like this. Okay, because this keyboard, there is no screw on it, so even the old one, there's a double tape on it. You have to use the double tape. You put it like this first. Okay, then you put another one down here also. Okay, then you put in the mandrel also. Just make sure you put the tape everywhere. Just put here also one more. Okay, after you do it like that, okay, now you need to take out this one tape first. Okay, then you take out the keyboard tape here. There's a tape here. You remove this one, then you bend this cable a bit. Okay, you fold it like this. Okay, now you need to take out all the tape. Okay, after you take out all the tape, okay, this cable you have to pass it through here. You just fold it like this. Okay, you pass it here. Okay, make sure the cable passes inside there. There's a hole there where you take it out. When you open it, you will see where to pass it very easy. Okay, you pass the cable there. Okay, then you put the keyboard very straight, don't bend it. Okay, you press it like this so that the tape will rest properly. Okay, then from there you have to connect the keyboard down here. The keyboard cable is here. Okay, then you fold the cable and pass it inside there and connect the keyboard. Make sure you put it very nice. Okay, you fix it inside very nice and close it. Okay, now you need to put the back cover back. You put all the back cover back, how you take it. Put the back cover back. You slide it in from this side. Okay, and now you need to put all the screw back you take out from the laptop. So many screws. Make sure you place all the screw back of the laptop. After you replace all the screw, okay, now you fix the hard disk back. Put it inside, remove this plastic. Okay, you put the cover. Okay, you place the screw back. Okay, then you replace the cover and put the screw. Okay, fix back the battery. And so you just slide the battery in. Okay, now you need to test it. On the laptop is on. Okay, you go to the word office. Okay, you see the word office, you type the keyboard, you see all the keyboard is pressing, everything is okay. That means it's okay. Hello guys, if you like my video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.